Hurricane season is here. Today in Greene County, the National Weather Service held an event to help you prepare for future storms. And on your side, Sarah Gray Barr is joining us now from the newsroom. So Sarah Gray, you went to the Community Hurricane Forum.
Yeah, Courtney, this specific forum took place at the Greene County Senior Center. Many of the people in attendance were senior citizens who've lived in Snow Hill their entire lives. They remember more recent hurricanes like Matthew and also older ones like Floyd. They tell me you can be impacted by a hurricane even if you aren't in its direct path. Born in 1951, Joan Wade says she's weathered many storms in Snow Hill, but the worst was back in 1984. It sticks with her, even now.
A lot of people lost their lives, and you know, you hear rumors about people being found in trees and cars in trees, and it really touched me because I knew a family that went to our church, they got hurt.
Joan remembers the wind.
I remember me and my son was sitting in the house. We heard a big gush of wind blow up beside the house, and all of a sudden it was gone.
Wind determines a hurricane's category. Eric Hayden with the National Weather Service says while wind can be dangerous, in a storm, it's water that kills.
Category gets a lot of notoriety. I'm not leaving unless it's a 2. I'm not leaving unless it's a 3. It's only wind. Statistically, 85% of people that die in hurricanes, water. Water, water, water. That doesn't get a category rating. We could have a tropical storm with no number. 30 inches of rain is going to be a big deal here.
Alice Barfield, Greene County resident of 69 years, remembers Floyd's floods.
That morning, I left out that morning, and you know, I saw the water bite from my house, but when I went back that evening, it had done rose some more. I couldn't even get to my house.
How high do you think the water was?
I don't even know, but it was, you couldn't drive in it.
That must have been scary.
It was.
She says it's important to start preparing early, especially if you have to depend on others for transportation. Hayden agrees, different people have different needs in severe weather.
What is your reliance on electricity? For you and I, if we don't have AC, we're inconvenienced, but it could be life-threatening for a senior citizen. Maybe you're relying on oxygen and you need electricity, so you have to have a plan to evacuate the area.
This forum was recorded and is posted online if you want to watch it. We'll link that over on our website, WNCT.com. The Greene County Senior Center also wants residents to reach out if they need storm aid. We'll have that phone number on our website as well. In the newsroom, Sarah Gray Barr, 9 on your side.